We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Brother MFC-9460 printer. This printer has been giving us a replace belt unit message. So we're going to show you how to replace the belt unit and reset that message. So the first thing you want to do is anytime you're working on the printer is to please always make sure that it's powered down. So please turn off the printer first. Once the printer is powered down, we're going to open the front cover, and then we're going to slide out the toner drums and toners. Now once you get it where it's pulled all the way out, you're going to push this little green tab over so that you can remove the drum drawer completely. And once you have the drum drawer and all the toners and everything removed from the printer, when you look inside you'll see a little green handle right at the front. You can put your fingers underneath there. You can actually remove the entire belt unit. Once you have your new one, you're going to replace your new one. You just want to be very careful not to touch the belt itself. That can actually cause print defects, so please only hold it by the little green handle. Once you have your new one, just slide it back into place, making sure that it sits all the way back inside the printer. Now we're going to put our drum and toners back in. And once you kind of set it back in, you're going to have to push this little green tab. Otherwise you can only push the drawer in about the first inch. Once you push this little green lever back over, you can slide your toner all the way back in. And then when you close that front cover, you're going to power the printer back on. And once it's on, you're going to go to Menu. You're going to go scroll down using the arrow keys until you find Machine Info. Hit OK. Then you're going to keep scrolling down and you're going to look for Reset. You're going to hit OK, and then you're going to look for the belt unit option. Once you find belt unit, hit OK. It's going to ask you to if you want to replace the belt unit. You're going to put 1 for yes, and that's going to reset your belt unit. And to get back to your home screen, you just hit the stop exit button, and just like that, you should be back up and printing and good to go. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.